everybody, guess what? I am grocery shopping. So today is a day where we just need to get some groceries, and as you guys know, the whole virus is going on right now. I'm not freaking out. I have a lot of stuff as it is, but we decided to go to the grocery store just to get a lot of meat stuff just in case something happens. And it's 11 o'clock in the morning and people are like, it's busy here. I didn't even want to go to our main grocery store that we wanted to, because the stores that I've been going to, or the stores that I've been seeing online, are just empty as can be. So I'm going to take you guys in here and share with you how the store is, and then I'll show you guys my haul at the end of what we could get. Now, before I take you guys into the store, I do want to tell you guys about the Fetch Rewards app. If you guys don't know, this video is actually sponsored by Fetch Rewards, so I want to share with you guys how to use the app. Now, like I said, if you guys use the code word GEN, you guys will get 3,000 points for a limited time offer. So it depends on when you watch this. You will either get 3,000 points or you could get 2,000 points, but you just use the code word GEN when you guys download the app and you can get it. Now, Fetch Rewards is one of my favorite apps. All you have to do is just scan your grocery receipts. You guys go to a grocery store, you go to like Walmart or Target, you just buy anything, you scan your receipts. The least points you guys get for scanning your receipts, it's 25 points. And then if you guys buy special brand names, you guys can get extra points. So they have right here, like if you buy Huggies, you'll get extra points. You know, if you buy specific ones, you'll get a bonus extra points. And then there's a lot of deals with Huggies right now. If you spend $15 or more. Now, please keep in mind, these are different every single time. They do change, but you buy Flintstones vitamins, you guys get points. Plus, if you spend $15 or more, you get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2 in points. A&D ointment, they got Lucky Charms cereal. So if you guys buy cereal, you know, scan your receipt, you guys can get points. Lots of deals with diapers right now. Great deal. If you guys need some alcohol, go for it. All I'm seeing is diapers. Now here, if you guys buy a box of Kleenex, you guys can get an additional $250 points, which is basically like 25 cents. But hey, you guys know what? You know, everybody grocery shops at least once a week, or, you know, buy something. Those points add up. So you can buy Suave, Dove, Axe, Dove, Bayer. So these are all the ones that you guys will get extra points for just buying certain ones. But there are so many other items that you guys could buy, you know, that you don't even know it. Tresemme, Tostitos, Simple, Huggies, Smart Food, everything. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys about the app. Make sure you download it. This will be one of your favorite apps. It's free money, and you guys can start redeeming gift cards as little as 3,000 points, which I said is equivalent to $3. So you guys can basically redeem like a $3 Amazon gift card if you want. I know CVS was an option at one point, but you know, start saving your points. I usually say save your points until Christmas and then, you know, redeem them so you guys can go ahead and get some free money for Christmas. And now let's go shopping. Okay, here is like all the meats. The hot dogs are pretty much all gone. There's some lunch meat left of certain kinds, but yeah. All the meat is gone. Here is all the orange juice, and there's some sour cream left, and milk. Yeah, it's crazy. That's all the eggs, cinnamon rolls. There's still a lot of butter, which I'm surprised on, but all the bagels, pizza, everything is just gone. So here is the cracker aisle. It's just like, a lot of it's still good, but it's just like picked over crazy. So here's all the juice. Just super empty, picked over. Okay, you guys, so as I was filming in the store, I had the store manager come up to me. He's like, oh, what company do you work for? And I'm like, I don't work for any company. And then he started following me around the store, and I basically told him I just wanted to film how crazy this is, because, you know, people are just clearing the shelves off, and I don't think it's going to be as crazy as they say it is. But, you know, I just wanted to get some food, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. I don't remember all the prices that I got, but they were sold out of a lot of the meat, which we mostly wanted to get, and a lot of things were just sold out. So I always got a gallon of milk. I know these are like usually $1.99. I got some sour cream. I usually like these squirt things, but that's all they had for sour cream. My husband really likes these Tostino pizzas, so you guys can get, or we got that. We got some popsicle, frozen mini popsicles. Husband really likes the crunchy popcorn shrimp, and I had a digital coupon for those, so we got that. I also got some tuna, because I just wanted some tuna, so I got 2 cans of tuna. And then he also got some corned beef. We got 1 thing of corned beef. And we were really rushed. Like, when I shop with my husband, we don't have time to grab anything. He ended up grabbing some Gatorade, these Balls drinks. We got some Full Throttle, and then we got some Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. So that's pretty much all we could get. Like, I wanted to get hot dogs, they were out. I wanted to get ground beef, they were out. I wanted to get some ice cream, they were out. So it was crazy, but I mean, and I can't really scan my receipt very well because there's a long white line in here. So we will see if it works for the Fetch Rewards app. So let's just scan it. So we're just going to open the app right here and scan our receipt and see how much points we got just by just doing this little bit of grocery shopping. And I always say, always do your receipts, because you never know what points you can get. You might not even realize that there are brands on here. So we're just going to click that button. We're going to take a picture of the receipt, and then we're going to scan down. This might not do a very good job because of the ink. And let's just do this. Okay, let's see what it got here. Now, if you guys like Fetch Rewards that I do, you guys will actually... Okay, it says which store is this from. I've never seen this before, so we are going to write Pick and Save. Probably because it's wiped out. So it's probably just only going to give me 25 points. I don't recall any of these being a... Okay, they gave me Axe points, which is weird. It never caught it. But it did count for the Gatorade, so I got points for that. And that's pretty much easy. So don't forget to use the code word Jen when you guys download the app, and you guys will get points also for just joining. It is 3,000 points for a limited time offer, so definitely click the referral link below and download the app. But yeah, love this app. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.